Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez, Shoot with Ray, and we're back with another AI video. If you haven't seen the first one, you can click right above. You're gonna see the first video where Kay and I brought an AI-inspired look to life. You're gonna see Kay's inspiration here on my side. That's today's look. So in today's video, we're not using the same setup as last time. We're using a completely different setup. So before we get into the video, I need you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't. If you like what you see in this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. So now, let's get into this video. Today, we're gonna be using the 24-inch beauty dish. We're also gonna be using the Flashpoint C stand, along with the 2-in-1 portable backdrop. We're also gonna have the Flashpoint AD600, the Sony A7R5, and we're gonna be using the 90mm today for our beauty portraits. All right, so here we are. We have the beautiful Kay Alvarez. We're at her beauty studio in Orlando, Florida, and this is awesome. It came to life. This right here is what seems to be a fabricated veil by you, right? You stitched it together?
Hand stitched.
Hand stitched. Where'd you get this stuff from here?
Joann's
Fabrics. Joann's Fabrics, shout out.
Bridal section.
We're gonna tag Joann's Fabrics in this video. Whenever Kay started researching for the inspiration for this look, I think you typed in what? Floral patterns? Floral, bridal veil, bridal floral patterns, and this is what came up with. You see on screen here is what was rendered. So now we're gonna bring this photo to life and we're gonna start shooting it right now. You ready? All right, let's do it. So if you've seen in the previous videos, or you can reference back to my other AI video right above, you can see exactly how I set up my camera, how I set up my equipment. In today's video, we didn't do that, but that's okay. Like I said, it's not too much different of a setup. I'm gonna start off with 250 for the shutter speed, 3.5 for the aperture, and ISO 640. The power in the light is going to be 1/32. So we're gonna test the light, we're gonna build it, we're gonna build a shoot, build a light, play around with the settings to see where we are and what we can get. Again, I'm trying to go similar to the inspiration that you saw earlier. Here it is again on your screen. This is what we're gonna try to come up with. Let's play around with it, let's go. I'm still at 1/200. And I'm gonna modify the power of my light. I'm gonna go to 1/128 to make it a little darker. And then I'm going to mess around with the aperture. I'm gonna go down to 2.8 and bring down my ISO 250. I think that's a good spot right there. All right, cool. So now we're gonna get my tablet and we're gonna review. Oh, thanks, Kev. All right, here we go.
I can't.
All right, so we got the tablet. Let's review. Now, as you can see in the picture, everything is exposed, similar to what the inspiration picture has. And we're gonna move forward with this lighting. We're gonna move forward with these settings. I really like it. Okay, do you like this? Check it out. Tell me what you think. All right, so let's rock with that. So now before we begin, I'm just gonna make sure that everything looks spot on. We're gonna fix a few things here on this end. So we're gonna start off with some straight shots of Kay. And then after that, we're gonna get a little creative. We're gonna do some side shots, some detail shots, some close-ups like we did in the last video. All right, so now we're gonna take a second to just review the images together to make sure that we're going where we need to be with this look. So we just finished shooting a bunch of pictures. I think we finally got the one. What do you guys think? Here it is on screen. So we're happy with those results, so we'll edit later. But we're gonna flip the script. She added some earrings. And I think that we're gonna switch up a little bit on the lighting. Here we go. All right, so we reviewed the images and we're gonna make some modifications just a little bit more. She decided to lower the neck piece a little lower. I know, do you want it to be symmetrical or do you wanna lower it here? I think it's gonna look cool if you show some more skin on this side. I got this. All right guys, so we got the shot, take a look. I'm excited you watched this video and I hope you learned something from it. Let me know in the comments how we did. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.